Most people use CDs the wrong way. They lock up their money for years, and lose access to it when they actually need it. But there's a smarter strategy that lets you earn higher interest and keep your money moving. It's called CD laddering, and once you understand it, you'll never look at savings the same way again. Let's get into it. CD laddering is one of the safest investment strategies you can use to grow your money without taking on market risk. Instead of putting all your money into one CD, you split it across multiple CDs with different maturity dates. That way, your money becomes available at different times, while still earning competitive interest rates. And here's the key: this gives you both returns and flexibility. Now, before we build a ladder, you need to get one thing right: your goal. What are you saving for? Is it a home? An emergency fund? Retirement income? Because your goal determines how your CD ladder should be built. This is where most people mess up. They pick random CD terms without a strategy. Don't do that. Instead, start with your time horizon. If you need money in 1 year, your ladder should look very different than someone planning for 5 years or longer. Now, once you have your goal, step 2 is choosing the right CDs. Not all CDs are the same. You've got short-term CDs, long-term CDs, fixed rates, promotional rates, and this is where you want to pay attention to interest rates and timing. Because higher rates usually come with longer commitments. But remember, you're not locking everything up in one place. You're building a system. Now let's build the actual ladder. Let's say you have $5,000. Instead of putting all $5,000 into one 5-year CD, you split it into 5 $1,000 CDs. One for 1 year. One for 2 years. One for 3 years. One for 4 years. And one for 5 years. Now here's where it gets powerful. Every year, one of those CDs matures. And when it does, you reinvest it into a new 5-year CD. So over time, your ladder turns into a system where you always have money becoming available. And you're always earning higher long-term rates. This is how you create consistency. This is how you build stability. And this is how you make your money work smarter. Now let me show you what this looks like in real life. Meet John. John is saving for a home down payment. Instead of letting his money sit in a low-interest savings account, he builds a CD ladder. Now every year, part of his money becomes available, giving him flexibility when he's ready to buy. Now meet Emily. Emily is retired. She uses CD laddering to create predictable income. Every year, she has money maturing that she can either use or reinvest. Two completely different goals, same strategy. That's the power of CD laddering. Now here's the part most people overlook: you have to manage your ladder. When a CD matures, don't just cash it out without a plan. Reinvest it. Roll it into a new term. Keep the ladder going. Because the real power isn't just building it, it's maintaining it. And if you do this right, you create a system that gives you consistent returns, access to your money, and long-term financial stability, all without taking on stock market risk. So if you're looking for a safe investment strategy, if you want to earn more interest on your savings, and if you want a system that actually works over time, CD laddering is one of the smartest moves you can make. And now, you know exactly how to do it. If this helped you understand how to grow your money the right way, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because on Jay Get It, we break down money, credit, and financial strategies so you can actually win. And remember, the only people who get it are the people who Jay Get It.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.